These are super pretty. They're literally long lasting and waterproof, and they look so pretty. You can wear this with a natural makeup look with a full face. Today I'm going to be trying the You Look Beauty DIY lash extensions. This one is in the style Puff. I don't know if you can see that, but this is what the kit looks like. The packaging is super pretty. I love that color of green. And to apply the lashes, I have this mini mirror. I have an eyelash curler and mascara. I already curled my lashes a little bit and applied a little bit of mascara, just like the tiniest coat, because I don't want to have too much mascara under the clusters. And the next thing I have is this mini spoolie. And then I have this mini eyelash fan to dry the lashes. I'm gonna start by opening the packaging to see what it looks like. Okay, so first when I take this out the box, it has a little card, You Look. Okay, so first the packaging is very pretty. Everything is packaged well. So the first thing I see obviously are the clusters, so I'm gonna take that out of its packaging first. Just took these out the packaging and I'm going to show. These are so pretty. They're numbered all the way from 10 all the way down to 18. I never tried 18 before, so I guess we'll try them today. And the smallest I've tried was 8. These ones start at 10. So these are a little bit longer than I'm used to, but we're going to try all of them to see how I like them. And again, the style these are in is Puff. And then next they come with tweezers. Right here. Oh, these look very sturdy too. And then they also come with, of course, Bond and Seal, and I do believe this is waterproof. And then, oh, they also have a cluster lash remover, which I've never used before. I did buy one. It was like this cream or gel you rub on your lashes, but it burned so bad I immediately threw it in the trash, never again. So I definitely want to try this one out and see how I like it. So I did say I curled my lashes and did a little bit of mascara before, but I'm just gonna re-curl them. Okay, so we have 2 rows of 10, 3 rows of 12 and 14, 2 rows of 16, and then 2 rows of 18. So I think I might do 10, 10, 12, 14, 14, 16, 16, 18. We're gonna try that out. Let me write that down actually so I can remember. Now I usually start from the outer corner and work my way to the inner corner. So we're just gonna start with 18, then do 16, 16, 14, 14, and just work our way to the front. But in total, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lash clusters total in each eye. Because I don't stack mine, I prefer mine to be as natural as possible. Okay, so we're gonna start the application. I also never used tweezers like this before. These are the ones that I usually use, and this is the difference. So hopefully I don't stab my eyeballs out because this looks pretty sharp. Okay, so I'm opening up the Bond and Seal. I'm gonna get my mini mirror so I can see. This is what the wand looks like of the Bond. I'm just gonna start by putting the Bond on. I do like that not a lot of glue comes out at once, because that way it'll be less messy. Okay, so now that the Bond is on, I'm gonna pull 18 from here and secure it on the tweezers. And they're gonna put it on the eye. Oh, these are actually pretty easy to use, very convenient. Looks like I have a winged eyeliner on right now if you squint. Okay, now we're gonna do another layer of glue for 16. I really like these tweezers, they're very easy to use. Oh, that's very pretty. These lashes are very full. I do realize that as well, so we might not need that many. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do 118, 116, 14, and then just work my way to the front. So I'm gonna skip another 16 and just move on straight to 14. I hope these don't come out too dramatic, but I'm gonna finish this eye and then I'm gonna come back when it's complete. I just finished applying lash clusters to this eye and it literally turned out so pretty. I'm not used to this length at all. I prefer a more natural look, but these lashes, the way they came together, look so good. And the glue is so strong. I feel like these are gonna be on my eye for the next month straight. And I didn't put the seal on yet, but this is like, this looks amazing. This is so pretty. But I'm about to put the seal on because we can't forget about that. Ooh, this is what it looks like. I never seen a seal like this before, but let's try it. And last but not least, I'm going to use my mini fan to dry the seal. And then I'm going to take my spoolie and just gently brush through them so they're nice and blended together. And these literally look like straight eyelash extensions. They look so pretty. Even though I'm not used to this length, they're still super, super pretty, and I would still wear these on an everyday basis. But these are super pretty. Now I'm just gonna finish the other eye and then come back with the whole entire look together. Okay, this is the finished look with both eyes complete. And these are super, super pretty. They're literally long lasting and waterproof, and they look so pretty. You can wear this with a natural makeup look, with a full face. I have on a natural glam right now, but any makeup look these definitely will go good with. You Look lashes are literally the go-to lashes. These are super, super pretty. Now, trying 18 for the first time was a little out of my comfort zone, but at the end of the day, I really like it and everything just came together. But these are super, super pretty. Make sure you click the link in the description to purchase. And don't forget to use code MAYALEA for extra 10% off. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one.